And this is Excel 6 if my numbering is correct. And this time I'm going to just give you some basics on printing your spreadsheet. What you might notice already, I don't know whether you can see here, it says a little dotted line. That's because I've been into the print options already. But that will tell me what would print, based on the current settings, what would print on a standard page. So I'm just going to show you some things that you can change in your print settings. So if you just click on File and go Print, you see the preview here, so this is currently what we'll print. So some of the things that I can do is I can change the margins. You can see some of the basic stuff, change the margins. I can change the orientation. And it's going to make it landscape and make it fit a little bit better. Notice that it also includes the spreadsheet, which is kind of half cut off. I could do something like this. I could go scaling and I could just fit the sheet on one page, which makes it really small and hard to read, but it does fit both items on the page. I'm just going to change that back to no scaling, and just going to keep it at landscape, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the chart off. So I'm just going to go back over to here, and this time I'm just going to highlight that part of the spreadsheet because that's all I want to print. I don't want to print the chart at this page. I can print the chart separately at another time. So if I now go File, Print, instead of printing active sheet, I'm just going to tell it to print the selection, which is just the spreadsheet. It's in landscape, it's got normal margins, there's no scaling, and that actually fits quite fine. So it's printed at its actual size. And then I would just click the print button and off it would go. If I wanted to just print the spreadsheet, the chart, I'll just go back here and just highlight the chart. If I now go File, Print, you can see that it's got the chart there on the page. So I can print the chart separately. Other things that you can do, as I said, change the margins. You can change the paper size, change the orientation. If you have more than one page and you're printing more than one copy, you can obviously collate it so it prints page 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If I wanted to just print a part of the page, I could choose what page I wanted to print. And obviously I can change my printer options and my number of copies. Under page setup, you can do things like add a header and footer to the page. You can determine how you want to do the chart, whether it's in draft or whether you want to print it in black and white, just to save on color if you were sort of being a bit more sustainable. And then back to page here, I can change just some of the basic settings and some of my, depending on my printer. Obviously I've got a Kyocera printer and I can change some of the other options with it. And that's essentially the basics of printing. When you're ready, just press print and off it will go.